This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Marji Monaghan. Charming over 2,000 square feet of living space, manufactured double-wide home, spacious bedrooms, walk-in closets, wood-burning fireplace, laundry on the main level, nice deck overlooking a manicured backyard, and a full basement partially finished with a bonus room and an office. Brand new furnace installed in 2020, smart lighting in the upstairs living areas. Night Owl indoor-outdoor security system, 3 indoor cameras and 5 outdoor cameras. Only a few blocks away from beautiful Castle Rock Lake in Dellwood subdivision. It's a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Marji Monaghan at 715-325-7335.